Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. Welcome. Well, I'm not really seeing you, you're seeing me. Welcome to your quick little coronavirus introduction video to get you going. A couple things. This is an emotional, probably stressful time for you. I realize that, but we're still together, even though we're not together. So remotely, we're going to figure out how to do this and make the best of it. So keep a smile on your face. Keep a very positive attitude, and remember, through all things, whatever you struggle, hard work is the one thing that nobody can ever take away from you. You control how much you're going to work and how hard you're going to work at this, so do your best. I put a little outline together here for you. Number one, most importantly, this is a very unique, interesting, odd situation, so please reflect on this throughout the entire process. I'd like you to experiment. I'd like you to try something new. Whether that's, hey, I've never done a load of laundry, I'm going to do a load of laundry. Maybe that's saying, hey, mom and or dad, can I do the cooking tonight? Try to live on the edge, experiment. Enjoy this time off a little bit, even though you're still going to be working quite hard. But experiment, try something new. Think about what you might have to go through when you go away to college and try to learn from it and be a little bit on your own and independent. Please practice your social distancing as we go through this. I cannot tell you how many studies and simulations and mathematical properties I've been reading about on this coronavirus. It's actually quite exciting, even though it's very stressful and frustrating at times. But please practice that social distancing and do whatever you can to make you a productive member of society here. Quick comment about AP exam and College Board. They sent out a message the other day saying that they're going to come out with an email, at least with some guidance for us on March 20th. I will share with you the results of the email whenever I get it. Rumor has it they're kind of experimenting with ideas about possibly taking an AP exam this year at home. None of this has been approved yet or really confirmed, so don't take my word for that, but it is a possibility, and I will share with you the information whenever I get it. A normal classroom week would involve 85 minutes, and I see you every other day, so it's around 2.5 days per week, and then 30 minutes of normal homework time, 2.5 times per week. This is how much I would expect out of you if we were together. That's around 287 minutes. It's just a little bit under 5 hours. So if you think about it, AP Calculus, you need to put forth around 5 hours worth of work from now until the time I see you again, whether that's that April 13th day or something else. Just make sure you're working hard and you're keep it up. Around 5 hours as a guide, you might be able to get away with a little bit more. You definitely could get away with less and more, so it's kind of up to you on how you want to put that together, but I'm going to give you enough work that'll approximate around 5 hours of work per week. Everything is going to be under Canvas, so I've been sending out emails, I've been sending out communications. I emailed you all my cell phone number. You can absolutely contact me via text, or even if you want to call and ask me about a problem or anything like that, please do so at any time. So Canvas, look for that coronavirus module. My plan right now is to do FRQs, lots of them. That's what I would do normally. I'm going to have to try to be creative with the multiple choices here. There are some multiple choices I will share with you and ask you to do and possibly grade, but then some of them are secure, so I can't send those home with you right now, but I'm working on getting other things that you can work on. During next week, which is our official spring break week, your homework was to do that 2012 exam. Solutions are online. Grade it. I'm going to ask you to reflect on that also. AP Classroom, I'm looking at how to experiment with that too, so we can practice more multiple choices. I'll give you information on all this. It'll be laid out. If you have any questions, email me, call me, text me. You can also use GroupMe by all means. I am also going to have you do probably 3 short video reflections, like 1 per week. It's using Flipgrid. If you've never used that before, it's very simple, very easy. You can download an app, put it on your phone. It's a very small app, won't take up a lot of space, or you can just do it right on your Chromebook. It's going to be kind of a private dialogue between me and you. I'll send you a welcome message telling you what I want you to reflect on, and then all you have to do is record a quick 30-second, 1-minute video just telling me where you're at, what you're doing, and how you're feeling. So I do want to try and keep that dialogue video back and forth up. It's going to be a lot of work to kind of compile all that and look at it, but I'm going to be using Flipgrid for that. So look at all that. It's going to look for all that. It's going to be on Canvas. Do your best. Now, I've never done anything like this before. I do teach a couple online classes at a college also, so I'm very familiar with online learning and how it's expected. It's a little different as you're going through AP. So if you are going through your other classes and some other teacher, whether it's Mr. Pollock or anybody else, they do something that's really kind of cool and neat and awesome, and you have a suggestion for me, please email it to me, text me, whatever you need to do. I am all ears. I want to make this the best possible learning experience for you. I think I've got a good plan. I think I still believe in the plan. The only thing that I'm missing out of this is student contact where I can push you, motivate you, yell at you, lift you up. I'm not going to be able to do that every day, but I'm still there fighting in the trenches with you. It's just going to be a remote kind of situation. Good luck, everybody. Communication is the key to being successful through this endeavor. And remember, enjoy. I know that there's a lot of things that you could be happy for right now. Like me, I normally work around 11 hours a day per the school week. And right now I'm only working about 8, so it's a little bit less time. I got to grow this lovely beard. Hopefully that'll work out for me. I get to sit in my sweats and my comfy clothes. That's all good, but there's also stressful things going on in my life right now, such as my wife is a home health nurse, so she goes out and does visits every day and has to go see sick people, so that kind of worries me. So I know a lot of you have similar worries and frustrations, and you also have things that you're probably a little bit happy about, but do your best to enjoy this time and try to make the most of it. Good luck. I'm with you all the way. Let's go fight this thing.